Hello, my name is Mike Crummy, and I'm here to speak to you today about the Triton. It's an exciting machine that we've produced, ideal for the heavier usage. One of the important features that our machine has is the ability to easily access the web. If you'll notice, we have a very direct path for the web on this machine with minimum rollers. There's some very good benefits to this, one of which it's much easier to keep the machine clean, and also putting fresh film on is very straightforward. Up front we have a 10-inch touchscreen with large, clear, easy-to-use buttons. One of the benefits of this system is you have the tabs along the top, which everyone is familiar with from working with their computers. All of the settings for similar functions of the machine are grouped in one location. Additionally, there's a USB storage facility on it that allows you to transfer your recipes to multiple matrix machines on a line. Additionally, whenever there's faults on the machine, a large and clear, easy to understand display will come up, not only telling you what the fault is, but telling you how to solve the problem. And here we can see the machine in operation. This particular forming tube that's on here is capable of a 5-pound bag. We have several of these machines in the cheese industry producing 5 pounds of shred day in and day out. This detail shows the end seal actuator. This is controlled by a stepper motor that has both adjustable open position as well as controllable pressure. It's available in poly and resistance type sealing technologies. The electrical control package consists of an Allen Bradley Micrologix processor, circuit breaker protection for the motors, motion control provided by Cole Morgan, and we include detailed placards to help in troubleshooting. We also include an I/O list as well as spare parts. The machine does go down. It's very quick to get it back. All of our electrical diagrams include simple, easy to read, and reorder parts for.